Hello, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's another week of savings challenges. I think I'm running a few days a little bit later than usual, but anyway, I'm here. If you've just locked on for the very first time, welcome along. It's a pleasure having your company, and also got to say thank you to my existing subscribers. Thank you so much for being here. Hope you all had a lovely holiday. I'm going to count this money up and we're going to get the show on the road. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 110, 20, 30, 35, 40. So there we have it. I'm going to start with my £5 challenge, and it's the last week of that. Give it 25 and just colour that in. So that's done, all finished. I won't count it today. I'll try my best to count it another day, and I think I need some change, so if I change up £10, great. So that's all done. I needed the £5. Then the 3 months challenge. I'm not quite sure if I'm putting 30 in or I'm going to half it this week. I'm going to half it this week and see where this money takes me. If I have £15 left over, then I'll put it in. So if I do half, so what I love about these savings challenges, that they're not set in stone. You just do what you possibly can, and that's all that matters. That's 15. I might need 2 10s. Let's see if we've got 2 10s here. Great. And then we have my Sagittarius. I think I'll do a purple, and I will do 10. The letters are £10, so I will do 10. This is a nice purple. Let's do the S. There we go. That's £10. Lovely. And then we have the luck of the draw. Just get that out and see where this takes us today. And I'll just get the cards. Three of Hearts, so we've got £5 to put in there. Three of Hearts, so I'll just mark off a heart and I'll put £5 in. I'll put £5. Got the holiday countdown to 30 for 30. Didn't make it for this Christmas, but I'm going to continue it until I finished. That's £30, and I will colour it. £30. And then when it rains, 3 days, it rained 3 days from the last time I did my savings challenges. So £5 each day it rains. So I'll just colour that in. I'll do a yellow. And a green. 5, 10, 15. I'm going to do the 20. And that's completed as well. Then my favourite is roll the dice. Let's get the markers out. Roll the dice. That's a 3 and a 2. And a 2. That's £5. I don't want to forget it, so I'll just put it there. We roll again. That's 2 2s. That's 4. 4 and 5 is a 9. 4 and 5 is 9, so I'll just put £10 and I'll take back that. Great. And then we'll do the roll the dice, double the savings challenge. I'll use green. Come on, high number. 4, so that's £8. That's £8. What I'll do is let's see. I'll make it 10. Put that there. Goes into the same envelope as the roll the dice. And that is that for another week. Where did I say I would put that £15 if anything was left over? £5 challenge is done. Look, exactly £15. I'll put that in there. In my 3 months. Actually, no, I won't. I'll leave it for rollover another time. Yeah, I think that's the best thing I should do for now. Put it in my rollover and see, because the 3 month challenge is, I'm not in a real hurry for the 3 month challenge. I mean, I'll go back and check to see when I started it, but I will give myself 3 months to finish it instead of rushing and put in more money in here where I can put it into another savings challenge. Yeah, so I'm happy with that, and I am very happy that When It Rains is finished. Just mark that off before I forget. It's all done. After all the bills are paid, whatever I have left over, I do put it into my savings challenges. If it's something that's what you do or you'd like to start doing, would you give this video a thumbs up and also consider subscribing as well. Don't forget to comment if you like, and thank you so much for coming over and watching my videos. Take care of your good selves, and I'll see you back soon. Bye for now. Bye.